Whoa! Now that's a lot of sparkles.
Mommy, do we have some fun? I'm so bored.
You bored?
Yeah.
I have an idea.
Yeah,
How about
here.
we're gonna learn some numbers today. And
Yeah.
we're gonna find some new cars. And we're
Yeah.
gonna open some new cars. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, guys. We have numbers from 1 to 10 on these trees. And behind every tree with a number, there's a new Hot Wheels car. So Hudson, what is the first number?
1.
Go find number 1.
This is number 1.
What you got here?
Number is 2. 2. Yeah, there it is.
Yay. The next number.
Number 3. Number 3. Whoa. It's a police car.
It's a police car. That's so cool. Hudson, what's the next number?
4.
Okay, go find number 4.
Here it is. It's number 4.
That's a cool blue car. What is the next number?
Number 5. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, let's see.
Halfway there. Look at this.
This is so cool. What is the next number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. Where's number 6?
Here's number 6.
Oh, another blue car. That's cool.
7.
Next, number 7.
Here's number 7. Whoa. What's that favorite?
Whoa. Listen, what's the next number?
Number 8.
Go find it.
Here's number 8. Look at this car.
Let me see. Okay. Ooh, nice. What is next number?
Number 9.
Let's go find number 9.
Here's number 9.
Nice. Hudson, what's the next number?
Number 10.
Yay, go find it.
Here's number 10.
Oh, wow.
We want some numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10! Good job.
All right, you guys want to open?
Yeah, first let's do this car because this is the first car.
Do you know what car this is? Okay,
This is a
Daddy.
Nissan Leaf Nismo.
Oh, this is cool. Yeah, it looks like electric car, right?
Feels like nothing.
Hudson, what's an electric car?
This one. This one. This one is the next one.
All right, what do we have here? 73 Honda Civic Custom.
Look at X.
It does have little X on its lights. Look at this. This is so cute.
Honda Civic.
Yeah, Honda Civic. What do you have there? This is a Nissan Maxima drift car. Look at this. Nice and blue. Look on the inside. That's cool. Ooh. That's cool. Oh, look at this. That's interesting. You can see the inside of this car. You can see the motor. From the 80s, you think? Let's see. It's a BMW 507. What does that mean? Okay, this is 1956 from Germany.
Yeah, from
It is old, but it's even older, Hudson. It's from the 50s. It's so pretty. Ooh. This is a beautiful car. Look at the front. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Love it. Orange. All right, this is a 2010 Camaro SS. It's a police car. Oh no, this is a fire chief. What am I looking? Fire chief car. Whoa, that's cool. Fire chief car. Vroom, vroom. You got 84 Pontiac Firebird. blue. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Pretty car. What do you got there? Let me see.
It's so cool. White tiles, like. It's a little bit funny. Like a big patterns.
All right, we got an 87 Dodge D100. Nice pink or fuchsia color. Hudson, do you think this is pink or fuchsia?
Pink and fuchsia thing. Look at the
Bottom, nice
look at
and
the
beige.
bottom, guys.
Very
It's
nice.
like
Oh, it does have 100 on it.
Not really cute.
You have 84 Mustang SVO. What is it? Black? Yes, it's black with a little green and a little silver on top. Very nice. Very nice. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh, that's nice. This is a 17 Audi RS6 Avant. This is a very pretty car. You know that green is one of my favorite colors.
Yeah.
Nice.
I want to
All right, let's see. Hudson, can you
One,
do the...
two,
Yeah, do the count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. Fist bump. Alright, so we'll learn some numbers, right?
Now we learned about number. This one about shapes.
So yes, we learned some numbers, right? For 1 to 10, got some cars, and we're gonna learn shapes, and we're gonna find some surprises and play with them.
Let's go.
Let's go! Can you find a yellow triangle for me?
Yellow triangle.
Alright, see what you got there. Wow, cool. What's next? Oh, can you find me a green rectangle?
Green rectangle.
Let's see what you got there. Is that some candy?
Yeah, let's do
Is this your favorite color, Hudson?
Yeah.
What is it?
Blue.
Ah, oh, we got some sour punch bites. Yummy. Find me pink heart.
Pink heart right there. Pink heart.
Yay. What is it? Oh, I love it. Can't wait to open it. Go find me red circle, Hudson.
Red circle. Red circle.
You got slime? Let me see. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Can't wait to play with this. Next one. Next one is a tricky one. Can you find me purple octagon?
Yeah. What's this? Purple. Purple octagon.
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 Good job. What you got there? This is interesting. Wait a second. It's amazing potty. Color changing. All right, Hudson. Find me blue pentagon.
Blue pentagon. Blue pentagon.
Yeah.
You throw this on high buildings.
Yeah, Hudson was trying to say that he saw it on TV. Somebody's throwing this from a high building and it's just like splats. All right, we don't have a high building here, but we'll try. All right, we have last shape left. It's right there. Can you tell me what it is? Orange square. Good job, Hudson. Good job. One more time. Yeah. All right, go see what you got there. Let me see.
It's like
Oh, it's like a surprise toy?
a blind bag.
It's a mystery figure. Oh, nice. All right. Good job learning shapes. Now it's time to open your surprises. Mommy's gonna help you.
This one.
Okay, what do we have here? We have Poodoo Splat Ball. Right there.
Look, it's like a chocolate poop.
Whoa, can you squeeze him and stretch him? Look at this guy.
It smells like
Poop?
nothing. It smells
No.
like nothing.
Yeah, it smells like nothing, like rubber. So you have to splat it like, oh, look at this. Let me
Look.
Can you show? Whoa, can you show me? Whoa.
3, 2, 1. What do you want to open next?
This one.
Okay, here's the open candy. Oh, we're gonna only have how many pieces?
A little bit.
Whoa, that is very. Wait, you didn't show. This is it smells yummy. It does smell like blueberries a little bit. This one, let's see. It's a color changing, amazing potty. It's slime. I don't know.
Wait a minute. What? Is this? Look, my finger.
Whoa.
No, it's a scratch.
Ah, there you
Oh,
go.
I think yeah.
Whoa.
There's like a big piece, like. No,
I think we have to put it
I know
into
what
like.
it
What is it?
is. Strawberries.
Oh,
Yes.
it smells like strawberry.
Might be a strawberry. Yes. You want to open next? What is
Bri-
this? Let's see.
Brian.
Can we show everybody? It's a mystery.
Mystery figure.
Mystery theory here. So like a
It's a
dragon.
Bakugan.
It's a blind bag, no? It was like.
Whoa.
This is cool.
Like
I
a,
like it.
like a robot dinosaur.
So
Whoa, look at that
is,
guy.
Thing.
Whoa. Hey, he's got like an exoskeleton on him.
No, don't get my surprise.
right there. Let's see.
It looks like a monkey.
Looks like a monkey.
Like a monkey with that.
Whoa, look at this guy.
I know those. I love these toys. Look at that.
Whoa, look at his little legs. Look at his little legs. Whoa.
Wait a minute.
Whoa. 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 Can I see him?
Let's see.
Like,
Let's show.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
And it looks like this.
Hey, look at that guy.
or something.
There's marbles inside?
Or bees.
Orbeez
Like
inside?
little something. Yeah, it doesn't feel like sand that much.
Oh yeah, you hear
What
that?
is red?
You hear that? It sounds like there's something in there.
Yeah. Look.
Huh. What's that?
What,
A
you wanna
ball?
open the ball?
Yeah.
Can you
It's a ball with other little balls
Can you squish it
inside.
really hard?
I can't.
Let me see.
Whoa.
Hudson, what
Cool.
colors do you see there? Let's see. What colors do you see?
Purple, pink, red, blue, yellow.
All the colors. Love it. It's very relaxing to do. We have one more thing left here,
Yeah.
okay? That's a slime.
Look, it has blue,
Yeah.
has red, yellow, blue.
Red, yellow, blue, and has some sparkles that we can mix in, right? Okay, let me open it because it looks. Okay.
And then the other blue one.
Oh,
has
they all have
sparkles.
sparkles in them. Look.
Whoa.
And then there are extra sparkles, like little. What are these? Shapes.
Yellow.
Oh, this is a good quality slime.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like the blue one. I want the blue one.
Alright, let's get some sparkles. You know what? Let's just mix them all. You want to mix them all together? Yeah. I know what color you're gonna get, right? Here. And add some sparkles in it. I'm gonna get every. Okay,
Rainbow! Baby rainbow!
what's the rainbow color? Oh, I didn't.
That's a lot. I don't like.
Oh.
Now
Whoa.
we have to mix this
Whoa.
in. Okay. Now that's a lot of sparkles. Okay, I kind of love it. I love it. Look at this.
I like the sparkle.
Hudson, isn't this pretty?
Baby watching zucchini. We'll get to the sky.